Hello everyone, very good afternoon. Let's start.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Let me check who all are there. Whether okay, Brinda is there, Anant is there. Then I'm coming. Okay, then Shubhi is there, Asta, Asha, Neti, Venki, Shilpa Sahu, Shubham. Good. Divya, Skand, Manya, and yes, that's all. We still have few people missing. Hmm. Where is Himanshu? Where is Lakshmi? Where is Simarpal? Simarpal is there? No. There are many people missing, but we start like this. So I will tell you, okay, yesterday we done the order and sequencing and ranking. Okay. Today we are going to do the most important topic of your whole reasoning. Can you guess what? Today we are going to do the most important topic of your whole reasoning. You always get this topic in exam. Any exam, whether it's competitive exam, Olympiads, your aptitude test, or any guesses?
Directions?
No. We are going to learn today.
Number series?
Nah. Coding and decoding. Coding and decoding, always, every exam. Okay? So coding decoding means put any pattern. Array, mute. So coding and decoding. So we are going to learn 4 different types of coding and decoding. We are going to learn, actually I am not well today. If I fall, just call me, all of you, okay? So we are going to learn 4 different types of coding decoding, where I'll tell you each type and you get any list of type. First type is very simple. I call them loop. Let's see how you handle it. Today we are not going to write anything. Yes, you will, while solving you find it, but most of the questions you can do orally. So let's see. Say stop share, share screen, coding decoding. I call them loop kind of coding decoding. Very easy. We'll do 1 or 2 questions just to get the idea. And then we'll jump on to our main coding decoding type 2. So this is the first type. I call it loop. Read it. Tell me what is the answer and why. I'll tell you why I call it loop.
Sir, it is a loop because of like it is in a continuous form and making a kind of a circle like that.
Where to stop, we don't know.
Yeah, that's that.
So what's the answer? Shubhi says green, then Asha says blue. Okay. Point is where to stop. Shubhi, where to stop?
So here blue means orange. So the sky color is blue. So we'll take it as orange. But the other statement is orange means green. So for me, it is like that.
And then green means red, Shubhi. And then
हाँ ना?
red means yellow, Shubhi. कहाँ रुकोगे? कहाँ पे रुकोगे?
सर फिर तो अब आप ही
Sir,
बताओ.
should it be blue itself?
No. Then what is this coding decoding? I'll tell
Sir,
you.
can I?
Yes, please.
Sir, it is green.
Why? You have to explain me why.
Sir, cause blue means orange. Orange means green. So it's green.
Okay. That's what Shubhi is saying. Okay. Manya says yellow. Manya, why yellow? Manya is saying total different answer. Skand saying yellow. Why yellow? Manya?
Sir, because yellow means blue.
I'll tell you. Skand. See, the point is, this is a loop, but actually it's not a loop. If you go in wrong way, it's a loop. So don't go in the loop, green means red, red means yellow, yellow means no. Ask yourself, what is the color of sky? Shubhi?
Blue, sir.
So what means blue? That's it. What
Yellow
means
means
blue?
blue.
That's
Yellow.
it. No loop then, right?
No, sir.
That's because the color of clean sky is blue.
Sir, that's what I was saying.
Right, I know. That's why I said good. So the answer is yellow, because yellow means blue. No loop, okay? So answer is yellow. That is the way you should solve this kind of questions, loop question. Easy. Second one, everybody will solve now.
Green.
Okay. Okay. Write everyone, please. Correct. Because color of milk, we know color of milk is white. What means white? Green means white. So that is how we do this loop question. That is type 1 coding decoding. Very easy one. So type 2, before I explain the questions, I want to take 5 minutes to explain the concepts. And we use whiteboard for that. Nobody write anything, just understand the concept. There can be infinite patterns. Infinite patterns. We can't list out all this. But what I did is I have categorized into the main categories. If you can use those categories, you more or less you will be able to find. So just list the categories, not about the answers. So I'll give you example test table always. And I'll write categories here just for your examples. And then we'll solve questions. 5 minutes explain you the ideas. Categories. If I code table as U, B, C, M, F. See, each letter is coded how? T is coded as U, A is coded B, B is coded C. What is happening everywhere? Everywhere we are moving forward with one letter. I call it forward plus one. You are moving in forward direction, plus one, plus one, plus one, right? T becomes U, A becomes B, B becomes C, L becomes M, E becomes F. If I code table as S, Z, A, K, D, what is happening? I am going backwards. Or I can say minus 1. Most popular type of coding decoding is this. Most popular. If I code table as V, C, D, N, G, what is happening? Brinda?
So it is moving backward.
No.
So plus 2.
Plus 2, forward plus 2. So forward can be plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, anything. See, T becomes V, U and then V, plus 2. A becomes C, B and C. But if I code like this, again, these are only the ideas. You will solve all the questions. If I code like this, what is happening?
Sir,
Plus
you're
1
moving
plus
like
2 plus 3.
Divya, say again.
Plus 1 plus 2 plus 3.
So what is happening is we are moving forward, but not with constant. We are moving with variable. Sometimes 1, sometimes 2. Is a series there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Forward with variable. Similarly, it can happen backward with variable. Where you move reverse, but with not constant, some different numbers. One group, right? Moving forward, moving backward, moving constant, moving variables. Getting it idea? Getting the idea? That is what. It also can happen if I say, if I code If I take a word, say table, or say I check it word tables, and I code, say like, what is happening? Asta? Any ideas?
So -1 plus 1.
Is it?
So in the first three, you move +1. Then in the L, you move plus. No, you move
-1.
minus, and in yeah, you're moving minus in the left, right hand side, and plus in the.
Exactly. First three letters I did +1, +1, +1. Next letter I did the -1, -1. I call it split. So split can be any way. I use plus, minus. I call it split coding. We can do split coding also, right? No, split can be so many ways. Next, if I code table as, say, then what? Shilpa Sahu.
Backward. Sorry.
Done. Okay. Shilpa
Sir.
Sahu.
So crisscross it is going, no?
Means what?
Like for example, TABLE. So the next line, the first alphabet is F. So E ka next will be F. So it will go to the first.
Okay.
T
Skand, you
ka
are saying
+1,
something?
that is 2. So it will go
Got
to
it,
the
Shubhi.
right.
Got it, Shubhi. Skand, you are saying something?
Yes, sir. Before that, I was too eager to answer. I thought it's backward positions.
Is it backward? No, right?
No. First one, it applies the rule, but rest I don't know. I didn't check. Yeah,
No,
it's not.
no, what do you say?
The same what Shilpa said.
Shubhi said. So, what is happening is T. T is coded as U. Reversed. Shubhi, the way you are saying is reversed. A becomes B. Crisscross, good word. My Vedic maths, what you are using. B becomes C. L becomes M. E becomes F. Understand everybody? Asta, Asha, Brinda. Reversed.
Yes.
First letter is coded to the last letter. We call it reversed. Next one. Again, these are only ideas. Next one. Niyati or Shubham can answer. Others, please hold because let everybody get a chance. Suppose if I code table as, say, SAAKE, Saki. Okay. What does it mean? Any ideas?
So you have written alternate backward of each letter.
Alternate? No.
So it's +1 0 -1 -1 and last
What's the
one.
pattern there? Shubham? What's the pattern?
Sir, -1 0 -1 0 like that.
-1 0 -1 then again -1. No.
Yeah, yes, minus.
The way the pattern then. Venki? Niyati? Any ideas?
So -1 0 +1.
But what's the pattern? Yes, -1 0 -1 then -1. I'll write something you will know.
Forward, backward.
Nah. Anything can make out from there?
Yes.
Tell me what. Now you can make out?
Yes, sir.
Tell
Yes.
me. Who will tell me? One of you. Brinda, you tell me.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, here for the word table, T is consonant, sir. So T is preceded letter S.
So all the consonants are do -1. Vowels are
Do
not
-1, vowels will be the same.
That's it. So again, this is a list only, guys. You can make as many. And when you do question, I want to see how many you can solve it. We also can code like this. Table is coded as, say S, U, Z, B, A, C, K, M, D, F. Any ideas? Shubhi, where are you busy?
The +1, -1.
Yes, sir. You have written both the letters.
-1, sir.
Shubhi, what is
Preceding
happening?
and after the letters, both you have written.
So
First
first thing is one letter is coded into two letters.
Yes, sir.
Agree everybody? T is coded as U, A is coded as ZB, B is coded as E, L is coded as KM, and E is coded DF. What is the pattern in that?
+1 and
And
-1.
after.
For T, -1 is S and +1 is U.
So everywhere is like that. -1, +1,
Yeah,
one before.
yeah.
So there can be many more codes. These are just the examples. Okay, you can get mix of all. Shall we start questions now?
Yes, sir.
Shubhi, unmute.
Sir, but how can
Yes,
we
sir.
make it more easier?
That's the reason I am explaining first what kind of popular patterns are there. When you see the words, you apply starting, based on see what pattern. In your mind, all those popular patterns go on. Then start combination. Okay?
Yes, sir.
That's how it works. You want to say something, Shubhi?
So there was some network problem. That's why I was just confused because I'm not able to hear properly. That's why.
There's nothing why you are stuck. Because you always keep asking or keep saying.
Yes, sir.
So let's start, guys. First question, okay? No, this is not the full list. This is the popular. There can be many more. You make your own patterns. You can make your own patterns. There is no doubt at all. So let's see now. What I'll do is, let me show you first few questions on my slides, and then we can show some more on. Where is my decoding? And everybody will just write answer on the chat, and I don't want only answer. You have to tell me why also. Answer is not important. Why? You have to write a pattern also. Let's see. Tell me this one. If teacher is coded as something like this, how you code the student? Okay, Asta, write your word also. So everyone has to write the word also. What should be the answer? I mean, the student will code it as what? Everyone. Divya, Skan, Shilpa, Niyati, Vrinda, Asha, everyone should try. Okay, Divya should be capitals, please. Capital means capital, small means small. Yes, Shilpa and Asha and Divya, everyone write the answer also. Right, like Shubhi wrote. Okay, so Shubhi says VWX, Divya says OWX. Skan says VWX, okay, VWX, DHQW. So all of you have to write two things. You'll just say this is a pattern and this is the word. Like this. We only. मतलब क्या हुआ दिव्या? We only. Niyati, capital letters.
That one, not O.
Okay. Shilpa Sahu. So you are right. The pattern is.
Sir, can we do one thing in these type of question? Like we can, select from first two letters and last two letter, and select from the options.
But it doesn't work always like Vrinda.
Yeah, it not, but after if they are not, so we can check more alphabets also.
Correct, whichever ways. But that I'll not say that is the standard procedure. No, you can check from first or last or first two. Totally your choice. You're right. I'm not denying that. But we cannot assume anything until we get the pattern. Okay.
Sir, it's saying forward skip of 2, but actually isn't it supposed to be 3?
There are two ways of writing it. Either we say +3 or we say forward skip. This is my way of saying forward skip of 2. 2 skip, I am saying. Skip means 2 are not there. See? If you see the word letter
Okay, sir.
T,
Thank
so
you.
U and V are not there. But ILCS use not the skip, use the word +3. That is better. Next one, please.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Try this. Okay, Brinda, you will answer this. Unmute and tell me.
Yes, sir.
Read the question, tell me the answer and why.
1 minute, sir.
Yes.
Coded as. Sir, it's not visible.
Array? Not visible by whiteboard, by PPT?
Yes, sir. 1 minute, sir.
Okay. In some language, exam is coded as FYBN. No problem, Brinda. I will come back to you.
Okay, sir.
Venki, how shall we solve this?
Yes, sir. It's +1, sir.
It's +1.
Forward.
E become F, X become Y, A become B, M becomes N. Correct. So answer should be?
SFTVMU.
Camera offline.
So first option, right?
Yes, sir.
So
First one,
everybody is okay on this? Very easy one. Try. Oh, this is little difficult one. Can you try this? Not little, very difficult one. It will test your metal.
So backward is.
Say again. Please
They're
say
not
again.
so tough, sir.
Sir,
-2 in a crisscross way, sir.
Okay, so if you got the pattern, write the answer. And somebody asking something? Who is asking? Brinda is asking or who is asking? Please speak again. Whoever was asking me something. And whoever could solve it, write your pattern and write your answer. The word, what will be there? How will you code hydrogen? Asha says QHJRUGBK. Asha, write your pattern also. Asha, you can speak. What pattern you got? Brinda is back.
Sir, the pattern is crisscross way.
Crisscross.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. And you have to check every letter. We cannot just make sure that first is working or last is working. No. Niti, what's your pattern?
Sir, crisscross way.
Okay, but where is the crisscross? The first become the last become the first. Second last become second and first.
Last
second
become the first.
And everywhere the pattern is same, is it? No, guys. As of now, none of you are right. Sorry. You have to read every letter.
Sir, did you
Sir,
see my
I have
answer?
a different answer.
Who is saying Skand?
Yes, sir.
Skand, speak out your patterns, please.
Sir, reverse the letters of cylinder, sir.
Okay.
And then position increases in 4 letters by 3.
R becomes U plus
U.
3. E becomes H plus 3. D becomes
Sir, I
E
got
plus
the
3.
same answer.
Who?
Sir, Asta.
Asta. Asta's answer. Okay, so let him explain first. So Skanda, you are saying plus 3 for the 4 letters after
Yes.
reversing. And
Then position decrease in last 4 letters by 2.
okay. So plus 3 minus 2 reversed. And
So ILYC becomes GJWA.
okay. And Asta, where is your answer? You not wrote the answer, Asta. You were saying you got the same answer. Where
Sorry,
you
sir,
wrote?
I just wrote it on paper and forgot to write it in chat.
So then how will I know, Asta?
Sir, I was actually writing
It's
it on
okay.
paper.
It's
so
okay.
that's-
It's okay. Good. You got it also. So everybody understood what Skan said. So Skan, can you explain again slowly what is the pattern?
Yes,
I'll write the answer
basically,
now. Wait. I'll show you the explain to everybody.
okay. Reverse the letters of cylinder. It becomes REDNILYC. Just reverse the letters of cylinder. Then position of first 4 letters is increased by 3.
Yes.
For example, R is increased to U, that is plus 3. R is 18, which is plus 3 is 21, which is nothing but U.
Yes.
Then for the next 4 letters, it is decreased by 2, which is ILYC. So, for example, I is 9, decreased by 2 minus 2, which becomes 7, which is nothing but G. So the same pattern we have to apply for hydrogen.
So there are 4 things, guys. 4 things here. First thing is the overall word into 2 half. Everywhere same, not same pattern, which Skan said. Even Asta said. Then we reversed it. Crisscross, as you were saying, right? Correct. First 4 letters is plus 3, second 4 is minus 2. Yes, please, Shubhi. Pucho. Bolo.
Sir, the pattern is +2 for the +4 and -1 for the last 4, no?
Let's check what it is. Let me write it here. So, okay, let me put everything off because I'm not able to see the screen. Okay. See, cylinder. C becomes A minus 2, right? Y becomes W minus 2.
Yes, sir.
L becomes J minus 2.
Yes, sir.
I becomes G minus 2.
Yes, sir.
First 4 letters become minus 2, but we wrote in the last, in the reverse order. Now we go to NDER. We start from R. R plus 3, STU. R becomes U. Correct, Shubhi?
Yes, sir.
Cylinder R becomes U. E becomes H. D becomes
Yes.
G.
Yes, sir.
So our answer will also start from N. Hydrogen N. So we'll do N plus 3. So Q. E plus 3. G plus 3. O plus 3. Correct? Same way you follow for us. So backward and forward. The 4
No, the
patterns.
answer is also correct. Matlab what you are saying, that is also correct. What the pattern which I have followed, even that from that also I am getting the same answer.
What is your pattern? Your pattern?
So my pattern is we'll reverse the number.
Correct.
And then from the last, like from the R to N, that is +2, and from I to C that is +1. -1.
हाँ तो वही बोल रहा हूँ मैं जब मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि -1 नहीं हो रहा है एक स्किप हो रहा है तो -2 हो रहा है एक्चुअली
सर C-1 अगर करेंगे तो
B आएगा
ना
नहीं ना वही तो समझा रहा हूँ C-1 B C-2 A वही तो skip अलग चीज देखो either you follow the concept of skip or follow the concept of minus what is C-1 B
okay
again see conventions are your own you can also assume C-1 is A if you are very sure that you don't do mistake my way of saying is if you're going to previous one you're going -1
okay
so whichever way you represent is different is everyone okay now got it
सर इसमें एक और पैटर्न भी तो लग सकता है
tell me
क्रिस क्रॉस वाला लाइक HF हो रहा है तो मतलब H में अगर हम -2 करते हैं तो F आ जाएगा मतलब H में skip 1
हाँ वही कर रहे हैं एक्चुअली हाँ वही तो बोल रहा हूँ मान्या बोल रही राइट
यस सर
देखो मान्या वही मैं कह रहा हूँ फर्स्ट 4 letters are written reverse in the last 4 H becomes F अब H become F you say 3 ways you can say H becomes F means skip of 1 in the reverse, okay? Or you can say -2. The way you represent is your choice.
Okay,
H becomes F. तो हम लोगों ने backward गए और एक skip किया है. या फिर you can say we done -2. Both are same. So H becomes F, Y becomes W. So first 4 letters are like that. We are doing reverse and we are going backwards with minus. No, either skip you say or there. So again I am saying you are saying same thing in a different way. That's correct.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Everybody got the answer? Everyone okay or shall I write on the whiteboard this?
Okay, sir.
Perfect. Try this one. Linda, getting it? Getting it right, Linda? No?
Yes, sir.
And the guys, I forgot to tell you, best way is write A to Z, 1 to 26 and 26 to 1. That way you don't have to count again ABCD, okay? That's the best way to do it. Linda, how shall you do this? What is happening here?
Sir, I think
See,
this is what.
think like that. R becomes U, S, T, U, plus 3, right?
Yes, sir.
E becomes B, D, C, B, minus 3.
Minus 3.
Plus 3, minus 3. Then see, P becomes R. P becomes R means what? Q,
Plus 3.
R, plus 2. P becomes R, Q and R, plus 2, right?
J.
L becomes J.
Minus 2, sir.
Minus 2. Plus 3, minus 3. Plus 2, minus 2. Say next.
Plus
A becomes B.
Then minus 1.
C becomes B minus 1. Then 0.
0.
E remains E, right? So coding is plus 3 minus 3, plus 2 minus 2, plus 1 minus 1 and 0. Right, Asha? So everybody write the answer. Skand wrote some answer. Niyati wrote some answer. Everybody write answer on the chat. Asta getting it?
Yes, sir.
Difficult है? थोड़ा?
No, sir, but it's just that we have to find the pattern first, and that's it.
Yes, you are right. Right, everybody answer. No, I told you the pattern already. Plus 3 minus 3, plus 2 minus 2, plus 1 minus 1, 0. So after that also you might write wrong if you are not used to it. Niti wrote SFERVQE, Skand wrote something, Divya wrote something else. See, I told you, right? We still may do mistake. Venki wrote SFERVQE, okay. Niti and Skand are Venki are same. Shubhi also same. So now we are going to answer. I'll show the answer now. This is it. SFERVQE is correct. Move on because pattern is understood. Try this one. Easy one. Everybody jump on it. I told you 7, 8 major patterns, right? Most of the question, 90% of the question goes on that only. Forward or backward, constant or variables, 1:1 or 1:2 or consonants vowel. Mute. Anyone can get it. It was so easy.
Yes, sir.
Write the answers, please. Too easy this is.
Alternative science.
Write the answer. That's it.
Sir, but is there any trick to solve it really quick?
यही तो ट्रिक है. बाय एक्सपीरियंस. ट्रिक मतलब क्या होता है? सी पैटर्न मतलब ऐसा है कि यू कैन मेक योर पैटर्न, राइट? सी ट्रिक इज व्हाट ट्रिक? ट्रिक मींस यू आर बेस्ड ऑन योर एक्सपीरियंस. क्योंकि ओ यहाँ पे इज इंक्रीजिंग. यू सी द लेटर एंड सी हाउ बिग इज द डिफरेंस. They are very close. C, L, O, C and B are close. So obviously it will be less skip. So what I told you, 5 or 7 patterns, you have to just think them in mind. Nothing else. Okay?
Okay, sir.
And best way is eliminate. When the options are given, start eliminating. Oh, this cannot happen because this is the pattern I am looking for. And other option is without seeing the question, see the in the elimination, in the pattern, in the options, which is not a very good way, but sometimes useful. Forget the question, see the answer and see what. See, Q is coming in the starting. So you definitely say Q will come, right? Means R will become Q. It directly giving answer because all the option has Q in the start. That's it. So options helps you. So who will explain this? One of you quickly. Yes, that is called elimination, Divya. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Explain one. To be explained quickly.
So here, according to me, the pattern is -1, +1, -2, +3, -4.
Okay.
So for that, rings will be decoded as R-1, that is Q.
Yes.
I+1, that is K.
Yes.
N-2, that is K.
Okay.
G+3, that is K again. And
Got it.
S-4 is N.
Correct. So that's the pattern. -1 +2 1. Except series finally become -1 +2 -3 plus. That's it. Next type. No, this is the third type where I say like some sentences are given, very beautiful, very interesting. You know what is the way to do this? Very easy. Compare two sentences with two codes. Like in the first two sentences, what is the common word and common code? In the first two sentences.
ATP Sunday.
ATP Sunday.
So that way we know ATP is Sunday. Again compare 1 and 3 or 2 and 3. Find a common word, common code. That's it. So if I ask is
Holiday. NBE holiday.
which letter code stand for Sunday? You already got it.
ATP.
In the first two sentences, Sunday is common. In first two sentences, ATP is common. So ATP. If I ask what is holiday, then
NBE.
NBE.
because second and third sentence, holiday is common. So NB. What is the code for IS? Is
Cell SCL.
SCL.
because of elimination. ATP is used, NB is used. Only the remaining SEL. So SEL is for IS. That's it. Type 3 is more about just compare two sentences and two codes. ATP. So please try this one now. I know it's a big, but it will be interesting. Get the codes for all. That will help you. Start writing in your book. This is this, this is this.
Lap, sir.
Okay, write on the chat so I know who's answering what. I'll explain in the end this one. No, likes is the word, not the code, Shilpa. Left
Sir,
side of the,
LAP is there in the first one. Jack, knack, lap, pay,
okay.
paw.
Okay, so what do you want to say, Asta?
Sir, I'm still doing it.
Okay. As of now, everybody answer is wrong. Think more. Everybody answer is wrong as of now.
Sir, I have this trick. Maybe that can work. Should I say it?
Yes.
Sir, since there are many no sentence says Vishal, so any that has been used in the other sentences, we can cut them out, and then later on the one that we remain with, that will be Vishal.
Yes, that is correct. That's what we are using. That is what the steps. Yes. Start coding for everyone. Whichever remains out will the code. But which one? Neck is not correct, Asta.
Sir, that I had pressed by mistake. Sorry.
Okay. Jack, Pau. Keep writing, keep writing. Manya, any success? Shubhi, Venki, Brunda? Wow, Brinda has done it. Superb. Brinda has done it. You don't have to assume anything. When you do all this coding, decoding, finally you'll find out that 2 codes remains, 2 words remain. Everything has been sorted out.
Sir, but then isn't it supposed to be one of them?
No, who said Asta? I'll put the question in the exam like, listen, I'll put the exam in the question exam like this. I'll put this question, I'll give 4 options. First option lab, second option POW, third option lab or POW, fourth option cannot be determined, fifth option none of this. What you will choose?
Lap or POW.
Correct. So we can find out there are 2 codes, 2 words. That's fine. My objective here is don't assume unless we are sure that okay, this is the code. Okay. The moment you get initial lap, no, or POW. It can be either lap or POW. It's okay. Do you want to solve me this or everybody will get it? So you can get it. I can
Sir, even we can tell it cannot be determined, sir. Lap or POW, between them, any one should be right.
Correct. So if I give you an option like lap or POW, you are able to determine up to that level it can be lap or POW. Then you cannot say cannot determine. That's not a point I'm saying. If you're giving both the option with a lap or POW and cannot determine, you must choose lap or POW because you solved it till that. Okay, you know it will be only one of them. Okay.
Sir, but in coding and decoding, they'll expect us to choose one answer. They'll never give 2 actually.
Who said that? Who said it, Skan? Skan, listen what I'm trying to say. You have to choose one of the best option available, right? What it says, any computer exam. Choose the best option available, right?
Yes.
Coding, decoding on any topic. Now I give you 4 options. I'm saying lab. No, lab cannot happen. I'm giving an option is POW. POW cannot happen. I'm giving option C as, actually I gave this question in many exam. Option C, lab or POW. And then option D say cannot determine. So I am saying instead of saying cannot determine because you are able to determine, it will be definitely lab or POW only. It doesn't mean, so they never said you could exact. You choose one of the best option out of 5 or 4, right? So it's
Yes,
not
sir.
about you have to get exact code for everything. Many questions you'll see, even I'll show you blood L shape or many questions. You may have 2 options. Even city government, we get a lot. I'll show you when we do this. There can be 2 or 3 choices, maximum 2 choices. If this is given in the option, that is option. Okay. Next. This is very easy one. Let's quickly do it and then we'll move on. And after that, I'll do the last type quickly. Letter code stands for FAL. Brinda says ZPI, Iskan says WebPI. Iskan and Brinda doing fast. Asta BAY, acha.
Sorry, sir, it's ZPI. I just mistaken.
Got it. So everybody agrees ZPI, no doubt about it. We'll move on. ZPI. You understood the last type. Okay, before that, do this also. This is okay. I'll skip the same thing. Last type, very interesting. This question will solve live with few of you. 4 or 5 questions, few of you. Let's see. First one is Shubham, unmute. Shubham, unmute. Shubham, are you there?
Sir, I got the answer.
Okay, Niyati, unmute. Let's solve with
Yes,
me
sir.
together. Read the question and explain to everybody what's the answer. In the code word, Grana Melke means big tree, Pini Melke means little tree, Melke Hun means tree house. Which word could mean big house? Tell me the answer and why. Niyati.
Big house.
Grana Melke, Pini Melke, big tree, little tree. What is common? Tree is common.
Tree is common, sir.
So which code is common? Melke is common.
Yes, sir. Melke.
Grana Melke, Pini
So
Melke.
option D.
So tree. No, first explain. Answer will do that. So Grana Melke means big tree. Pini Melke means little tree. So tree means Melke, right?
Yes, sir.
If tree means Melke, see the last sentence, third sentence. Melke Hun means tree house. If Melke is tree, what is house means? Niyati.
So how house means hoon.
Hoon.
H-O-O-N.
Hoon. Yeah, Hoon means house. Our question is which word could mean big house? House means Hoon.
So
Hoon should come in the
the
end.
answer is A. Grana hoon.
A or C, correct. No, A or C. So how we know Grana? Because we know Grana Melke, Grana is big. So Grana Hoon, you are right. Got everybody? Grana Hoon is correct answer, option A. Very easy. Next. Linda, explain second one. Read live with me. No paper pen.
Yes, sir.
Unmute, read 2 times, 3 times, 4 times and tell me how will you do this. Read loudly. Dionode means oak tree, blionode means oak leaf, blycine means maple leaf.
Oak tree. Bylinote means oak leaf. Bylcream means maple leaf.
Okay, so how you approach?
Maple syrup.
We need maple syrup. So first what
yes,
you will do? What is common between first 2 sentences?
Yes, sir. Maple is not given here.
Okay.
Then for word syrup is also not here. So
maple is there in the last one.
Sir, sorry.
Maple is there in the last one. Don't worry about maple. First see, can you get from second and third leaf or not?
Yes, I got it, sir.
Blionote is leaf, blycine is leaf. What is leaf means?
Leaf, ring.
No. See second and third. No, don't worry about answer. Blionote, see the second sentence. Blionote means oak leaf. And blycine means maple leaf. What is common in the second and third sentence? Leaf is the common, right?
Yes, sir.
So which code is common? Bly is common. Bly is common. BLY, right?
Yes, sir.
So BLY means leaf.
Yes.
So if BLY is leaf, maple means Srin, right?
Yes, sir.
So maple is Srin, clear or not? So Srin should come in the answer.
Option A.
Option, no. Option can be either C or D, right? Brinda, what I'm telling. Go one by one. What is the code for leaf?
BLY.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
So what is the code for maple?
Maple. Sir, for that it's confusing.
Last sentence, na? BLY CRIN. If BLY is for leaf, definitely CRIN is for maple.
CRIN.
Correct?
Okay, sir.
CRIN is for maple, but the order is reversed. Why? BLY coming in the start, leaf is coming in the end. Srin is coming in the start and maple is coming in the end. So order is reversed. So maple means CRIN, correct?
Yes, sir.
So in our question, maple is given, maple syrup. Maple is coming in the start. So CRIN should come in the end.
Yeah.
So out of 4 options, wherever CRIN is coming in the end.
D.
Option C.
D, sir.
अरे C, Petri, Srin. B तो ऊपर नोट कहाँ है इसमें? You're not.
Methyl serine. Syrup is serine, no, sir.
Where is syrup, Srin? Where is syrup in the? Okay, tell me one thing. Where is the syrup in the first sentence?
No, sir, it was not given.
So then how can you say syrup is Srin? No, Brinda. You said BLY is leaf or not?
BLY is for leaf, sir.
So what is remaining now in the BLY Srin? Only CRIN, right?
CRIN.
So what CRIN means?
Methyl.
So then, where is syrup coming here? Write down. It means maple means CRIN, correct?
Correct, sir.
Now we clearly know CRIN means maple. So in our answer, CRIN should come or not?
Come, it will come,
So
sir.
if option A and B CRIN, can you see?
No, sir.
So those options are gone. How can B come? They're totally gone, right? So
Yes.
option C and D are there now, where Srin is there.
Yes, sir.
Now see the order. BLY, CRIN. You are saying leaf means BLY. See, BLY is the starting, right?
Yes, sir.
But leaf in the end. Order is reversed.
Okay, sir.
Similarly, Bly or not. BLY start, leaf is order is reversed.
Okay, sir.
So the code for maple should come in the end.
Yes.
So CRIN should come in the end.
Yes.
Last word. So which option?
Okay.
C or D?
D.
C option. CRI is the end, na?
Sir, for methyl has given first now, sir.
Wait. Let me put a whiteboard for everybody, okay? I'll explain 1 second. Dekho. This is for everyone, please, okay? Vrinda, this is for everyone and you will again work with me. This is the question. Right?
Yes, sir.
I'll put only headline where what is common here in this two. This is common.
Common, sir.
What is common here?
BLY.
So BLY means leaf or not?
Leaf. BLY means leaf.
No, here if you see there are two words, BLY and O not. And BLY is Srin. BLY is coming first, but leaf is coming the second, right or not?
Yes, sir. Right.
So order is reversed or same order? If code is coming first, word is coming in the second. See here also. What is the code for oat? Oak.
O not.
Code for oak is O not.
O not.
O not is coming in the second position or not? See,
Yes,
this is
sir.
but here the oak is coming in the first position.
Yes, sir.
Reverse, right?
Yes.
So now you clearly know. Tell me, you say yes only when you are clear. BLY. BLY means leaf or not?
Leaf.
BLY means
Leaf, sir.
leaf. Agree?
Agree, sir.
So what is the code for maple then?
CRIN.
No doubt.
No doubt, sir.
No, in our word, what we need? We need maple syrup.
Yes, sir.
So in our answer, syringe should come or not?
It will come, sir.
So this is gone, this is gone.
Yes.
Now this is first, this is second. Maple in the first position.
Okay, sir.
So chord of maple should come in the first position or second position. I already told the order is reversed.
Yes, sir. It will come second position.
तो वही तो बोल रहा हूँ syringe second पे
See
आ रहा है
the-
syringe.
That
Got
is
it?
okay, sir.
Is everyone okay? And don't mind, I teach like this only with very scolding. Okay. So everybody okay? Answer is C. Petri seed. Very few people got it right. Order matters. Move on. Next. Share screen. Next. We'll do 1 or 2 questions more. Manya, you will do next question. Manya. These are very easy questions. Manya, are you there? Mulo card means blue sky. Wilscore party means bicycle race. Mulo Wilco means blue bicycle. Which word could mean race car? Which word could mean race car? Asta, you will solve this. Manya looks like it's not there.
Sir, me, okay. So,
Yes,
sir,
yes,
first
you.
of all, we know race is there,
Okay.
and then we know in another one there's bicycle common, and also in blue bicycle is
So
common.
what is the code for bicycle?
Wilco.
Order is same or reversed? You are right. Order is same or reversed?
What?
Order. Code
For race, it's reverse.
it will not reverse. See, in the whole coding, order will be either same or reverse. It cannot change by word. So you are saying bicycle means Wilco, right?
Yes, sir.
In the third code
Oh,
also,
sir, it's not reverse. I was talking about
same.
blue bicycle.
So don't worry. Everywhere order is same. If word is coming first,
And
code is
then
coming
Spady
first.
means race.
So bicycle means Wilco, right?
Yes.
And Spady means race.
Yes, sir.
So
And
race
Spady
should come in the answer.
Yes.
So option B or D only, right?
And so Wilco means bicycle, so it won't be bicycle, it will be Spady Volo.
Very good. It means Spady Volo because it is called exclusion. Because Wilco cannot be there because Wilco is for bicycle. Very good, Asta. So answer is Spady Volo. That's it. Guys, only 3 things required. Finding a common word, elimination and exclusion. That's it. Spady Volo is the answer. Getting it, everyone? Vrinda, Shubhi, Manya, Divya, everyone getting it? Next. Who will solve this? Any one of you tell me who want to solve this? With me. Quickly. Who want to solve this?
Sir, I can solve it again if you want.
Nah, Asta. Yes, you will get chance. If nobody is there. Who want to try it? Shubhi.
Option A.
Okay, Shubhi, aa jao.
Yes, sir.
Read.
Sir, in the 3 options,
Read
Taga
the
means.
question. Read the question first.
Here are some.
Real Taga means carefree.
Yes, sir.
Otaga means careful.
Full. And
Fertaga means
Fertaga
careless.
means careless. Which word could means after care?
Care to sab jagah hai.
So if we'll go with all of the 3 sentences, care means Taga.
Correct. And order is same or reversed?
It is reverse.
Very
That
good.
is, so Taga
Should come in the starting or end?
end. So
After
if
care.
we,
नहीं रुको Shubhi. Order reverse बोल रही हो ना तुम?
no sir. हाँ,
Say the
reverse
reverse.
कह रही हूँ.
So
लेकिन
after
reverse
care.
नहीं होगा sir.
अरे reverse सब जगह हो रहा है देखो. Care free में care शुरू में आ रहा है. Ref Taga लास्ट में आ रहा है.
Yes sir.
O Taga लास्ट में आ रहा है. For
हाँ,
Taga लास्ट में आ रहा है, right?
हाँ.
और care सब में शुरू में आ रहा है, right? Care free, careful, careless.
Yes sir.
So code और word का order reverse है, right?
Yes sir.
So after care में care last में है. So in the code
Yes sir.
Taga will come at the start or in the end? Start में आएगा ना?
Yes, sir. C is the option.
Taga fur or Taga zen?
Taga Zen.
Why Taga zen?
Because fur is less, no.
Fur is less. So that's why
Taga
Taga
zen.
zen. That's it. Easy है ना एकदम?
Yes, sir.
Order important है बस.
Yes, sir.
Everybody got it? Thank you, Shubhi. Everyone got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Option C. Let's try next one. If it's there, otherwise we are done. Done. That's it. So 4 different types of coding decoding, guys. Pattern based, loop based, and last 2 are about compare the sentences and find out. Any questions before we close?
No, sir.
See you tomorrow then. Enjoy everyone.
Bye, sir. Thank
Bye
you.
bye. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.